Hey guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. I almost got hit in the eye. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Ernie and I customize just about anything from promotional products to one-off gifts. Today is a special video because we're celebrating our 1,000 subscribers. So let's get on with this video. And in today's video, we're going to be working on a large canvas and we're going to be doing that outside. But before we do that, I want to take some time to thank a few people, and I actually have a list here. I want to thank everybody that has collected all my hand-painted stuff, specifically all the airbrush stuff. It does take a lot of time for me to paint all that stuff, and I do it with a passion, and I appreciate everybody that has collected some of that stuff. Specifically, some of you have purchased multiple things from me and keep collecting stuff. So I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and hopefully you guys are enjoying those pieces. I also want to thank everybody that continues to come back here and continue watching my videos and continue, learning. And I hope that some of these videos or the stuff that you learn on this channel kind of helps you out, whether you're gonna be an artist and have that in your career, or you just want to, kind of do this on the side and like painting and stuff like that, to kind of de-stress yourself after work. So I want to thank everybody that has been coming back and watching the videos multiple times. And of course, I want to thank all my family, all my friends, my parents, my wife. We have our little dog here, Chico. He's been really good at not barking while I'm filming, so he's really good. And everybody out there, all my friends, you know who you are, my nieces. So thank you so much for continuing to support this channel and liking all my stuff on Instagram. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And of course, last but not least, I want to thank all you subscribers that actually hit subscribe and watch some of the videos when they do come out. When they do come out and you first watch them, it really helps me out. The longer you wait, it kind of tends to trickle down and get forgotten as far as the video goes. So I appreciate everybody that has been watching the videos as soon as they come out. In celebration for our 1,000 milestone, we're gonna have several videos for you this week, not only just one. So hopefully you enjoy a series of different videos with different projects. And then after this week, we're going to continue on and doing our regular schedule of one video per week. The videos for this week are going to be very random, so I'm not really sure which videos are going to come out and which ones are going to come out at which day. But hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll try to make it a variety of different videos. But just to let you know, I have like a lot of stuff in the archive. I've got a lot of canvases, a lot of shirts, I got a lot of portraits, a lot of stuff that's been, a lot of shirts that were made for concerts. That we haven't even put out yet. And what else do we have? We have a lot of controllers that we did for custom controllers. Some very cool things happening there. So that's slowly gonna come out, but I'm gonna try to give you guys some cool videos to celebrate this week. Before we continue on with the project that we got going on for this video, I want to take some time and go over some of the goals that we want or that we have for this particular channel. It started off as showcasing some of the products that we can do as far as like customizing. We can customize branded merchandise for companies, and we've done graphic design, but now we've been focusing a lot more on the arts. So obviously the airbrushing has been a lot of part of it, painting custom controllers. So that all goes in hand with the merchandising. We've done and painted a lot of stuff for large companies like Energizer that we collab with custom controllers, and we've done a lot of cool things with custom controllers. So I want to give a special shout out to Johnny at Custom Controllers. We want to eventually do bigger stuff, but we don't have the place or the location to be able to do larger paintings, work on cars, paint cars, customize cars and stuff like that. I would love to have a place for me to be able to do that, but of course that requires a lot of money, and hopefully with the views that we get from this channel, we can definitely try to hit that. I really like 3D printing and laser engraving, manufacturing, you know, creating brackets and having large machines to do different things. I love welding. I don't know how to weld yet, but eventually I want to get into that. So that's some of the stuff that I'm looking forward to learning myself and then bringing into the channel, and hopefully creating some cool things, mainly like for customizing cars and creating cool art and stuff like that. We can always mash things together and create something cool. So that's kind of what I'm looking forward down the line as well. But we have a bigger shop to be able to bring in bigger machines and create cool things. Most of the stuff, actually all the stuff that you see on this channel are you know, for clients. So none of the stuff that you see on there, I think I've only done like one shirt that was for me, and a couple of things that, you know, little small things here and there for the car, but we haven't had the time to actually sit down and create some beautiful artwork that that's coming from me, you know. So I want to take the time to be able to do that as well, and with your help and subscribing to the channel and continuing to watch the videos, we're going to be able to do that hopefully in the next few years. I have one more surprise for you guys before we start on this project, and that is that we are giving away a pair of Air Force Ones, completely customized. If you're one of the subscribers, you're already halfway eligible to be able to get the pair of Air Force Ones. All you gotta do is go in the link or in the description and the link below. That's gonna take you to another video that's specifically for the Air Force Ones, and all you gotta do is put a comment of the type of design that you want to get on those Air Force Ones, and that's it. Hopefully at the end of this month or next month, we'll be doing the raffle and figuring out who is the winner. So good luck to everybody, and thank you so much for subscribing. I want to give a big shout out to some of my collabs, Alex and Philip at Big Butt Press, Johnny at Custom Controllers, and Lionel. You've been collecting a lot of my shirts. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and hopefully you guys are enjoying my work. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this graffiti style canvas. So we hit 1,000 subscribers. So we hit 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. Hey guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. So just pretend you're doing it so you get. And without further ado, without further ado, 3, 2, 1. Without further ado, right? Or do. Hey guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. Bang. You wanna do it? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we hit. Now I have to go like that, right?
Yeah.
You have to wait until I grab the thing.
Yes, of course.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we hit. Okay, we're gonna do it for real this time. Okay? Hey guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers. I almost got hit in the eye. Oh shit.